In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a splash of creativity to your Canva projects by filling shapes with color. Whether you're designing a poster, a social media post, or a presentation, this simple addition can truly make your designs pop. Not only does it offer an artistic flair, but it also brings balance and direction to your project. Now let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First, let's get started by heading over to your Canva project. If you haven't opened Canva yet, no worries. Simply navigate to the Canva website and log into your account. Once you're in, locate and open the project you're currently working on, or start a new one if you're initiating a fresh task. The project dashboard is where all the magic happens. It's bustling with all the elements you can manipulate and customize to your heart's content. Now that your project is open, the next step is to select the shape you desire to fill with color. Canva offers a myriad of shapes, ranging from the basic to the intricate. You can either browse through Canva's expansive library of shapes or use one you've already incorporated into your design. Simply click on the shape you wish to customize. This selection will allow you to apply various changes and enhancements to it. With your shape selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the Canva interface. Here you will find the Color button, your gateway to a world of color possibilities. Clicking on this button will prompt a color palette to appear. This palette is quite versatile. It allows you to pick from existing theme colors or create your custom color blends. You can adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness to precisely suit your design requirements. This is your chance to experiment with different shades and find the perfect match for your project's aesthetic. And just like that, you're done. The shape should now be vividly colored, adding a new layer of interest and professionalism to your design. Filling shapes with color can transform the overall look and feel of your project, making it not only visually appealing, but also functionally cohesive. Remember, the key here is to align your color choices with your project's mood and message, ensuring each element works together harmoniously. In conclusion, filling shapes with color in Canva is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your designs. These small adjustments can have a big impact, capturing attention and conveying your message more effectively. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your creative vision come to life. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful in advancing your graphic design endeavors. Keep creating and have fun with Canva.